Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to get instant notifications on your phone the moment a key event happens in TradingView, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up email to SMS alerts so you can receive TradingView alerts as text messages right on your mobile wherever you are. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a streamlined way to never miss another opportunity or critical signal, even when you're away from your computer. Let's jump right in. First, we need to start at TradingView itself. So open up TradingView in your browser. If you're new here, TradingView is a powerful online charting platform that's widely used by traders for its flexibility and robust alerting features. Once you're in, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see a menu option called Products. Go ahead and click on that. This section is basically like the dashboard for everything TradingView offers. Think of it like the main directory at a mall, showing you all the places you can go. Next, move your attention to the very top left of the screen. Here, you should see your profile icon. Give that a click. When you click on it, a small drop-down will appear with your profile name listed. Select your profile from this menu. This gives you access to the settings that control how your account works and how notifications get sent out. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see options like Settings and Billing. Click on this section. Don't worry if it feels like you're going deep into menus, just take it step by step. Scrolling down a bit, you'll notice an area called Alerts Delivery. This is where TradingView manages how and where your alerts are sent. It's an important step because if this is set incorrectly, you might miss out on those crucial alerts when you need them most. Now, under the Alerts Delivery section, look for the box that lets you enter your email address. Here's a helpful little trick. If you want your alerts to go to SMS, you can use something called an email to SMS gateway. Most mobile carriers have a special email address format that forwards messages as text to your phone number. For example, if you're on Verizon, you'd enter something like your phone number at vtext.com. For AT&T, it would be your phone number at txt@net. Just swap out your phone number with your actual number. If you're not sure what your carrier's gateway address is, a quick Google search will clear that up. Go ahead and type this special email address in the space provided. This way, every time TradingView sends an alert to that email, your phone will buzz with a text too. Once that's set, return to the TradingView main screen. Now comes the fun part, setting up the actual alert. Right-click anywhere on the chart or grid view where you want to monitor an event. You'll see an option that says Add Alert. Click on this. This will open up the alert creation window. Here, take your time to fill in all the details that matter to you, which asset you're watching, what condition should trigger the alert, and any specific message you want included. In the notification options, make sure to check the box labeled Send Email. This is really important. Without this, your alert won't make it to your SMS at all. Double-check everything, and then when you're ready, hit Create. And that's it. You've just set yourself up to get real-time TradingView alerts as SMS text to your phone. Don't worry if you need to tweak the setup or come back and adjust things. The process is super flexible, and you can always edit your email settings or alert details as needed. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Remember, if you have any questions or run into any hiccups along the way, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.